Hey there YouTube, today I'm doing an unboxing on this Dremel 4000 kit that I got at Costco for $80. It's item number 18321168. It includes a whole bunch of accessories. Most importantly, it includes the flex shaft, which is used for fine detail work in tight spaces. That's pretty much the only reason I bought it. But for $80, it's still a pretty good deal, even without the flex tool. Yeah, I literally did the math. If you only account for the accessories that are substantial and not normally included in any other kits, the real increased value is about 146. I gotta say the flex shaft is one that I rarely saw in any other kit. You're basically paying 50 bucks for a Dremel, plus the $31 flex shaft. That was easy. Here is the detailer's grip. All the other accessories. So here's the detailer's grip, the shield, the circle cutter or guide. So that's neat. If you take out this screw, this has a point on it. Turn it upside down and you can use it as a circle cutter. Or, that is really sharp, or just set this wherever you want it and tighten this down. And there you go, now you have a guide. Here's the sanding and grinding guide. Here's the cutting guide, which is another awesome attachment for doing rotozip-like things, or routing. And then there's this tool sharpener, which I will certainly never use. And the flex shaft. It's model 225. And of course, the Dremel itself. It's a model 4000 and it's rated for up to 3,500 rotations per minute. It's got a really thick manual, so that's nice. Looks like they added a little addendum after the fact for the detailer's grip attachment. I'm going to do a full review video later, but as of right now, this case feels kind of sloppy, just throwing everything in here, but we'll see. Oh, yeah, and of course, here's all the different cutting bits and polishing things, and hopefully everything listed on the back. Oh, a little bit of polish. But yeah, not very organized. Everything's just kind of thrown in here. I was kind of expecting, I don't know, better organization for the kit, but I guess that works. It gets you dremeling. Here's everything in the box. No particular order. I did group similar pieces. The only thing that's kind of weird is that they include the easy twist cap as an accessory, and it's kind of already on the tool, so Alright, that's my unboxing. Stay tuned for the review video. Thanks for watching.